Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the VM is completely powered off. Do not proceed while it is running or paused. Once off, export the VM as an appliance or copy its VDI/VMDK files so you can restore later if needed. Then open Virtualbox Manager and click the VM name to reveal controls. This prepares the interface and gives you access to the settings and remove options you will use next. This avoids accidental data loss and speeds removal. Now you remove the VM from the manager. Right-click the VM and choose Remove. Virtualbox asks whether to remove only, keep files, or delete all files, remove VDI/VMX. If disks are on shared storage, note their path before deletion so you can clean remote locations safely. For finer control, open File right arrow Virtual Media Manager to detach, release, or delete virtual disks. This prevents orphaned VDI files and resolves registry of media that would otherwise block reuse. Finish by confirming that the VM folder and disk images were removed or moved to your backup location. Manually delete any leftover snapshots or logs. If Virtualbox reports the VM as locked or deletion fails, quit Virtualbox. Ensure no VM processes are running, remove lock files. LCK in the VM folder and reopen Virtualbox to retry. Make sure file permissions allow deletion. If problems continue, examine the VMs. VBox and VBoxBrev files for hints and restore from your exported appliance if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.